The SV Remote series is our best-selling series in the graphite cutting industry, especially popular when sold to other countries. Since this series of equipment features remote maintenance and operation capabilities, allowing our factory to remotely inspect and operate equipment worldwide, making troubleshooting extremely convenient. The equipment in this series shares the same structure, all of which are vertical cutting machines. The cutting wire is perpendicular to the ground, and cutting is performed from left to right. Based on the cutting capability, SV Remote series has divided into several models, such as 40 to 50, 50 to 50, and 80 to 80, and models designed for cutting oversized materials, such as the 160 to 80 and 250 to 80. The SV Remote series of equipment are all equipped with two sets of systems. One PLC system for slicing and another CNC intelligent system for cutting complex profiles. These two systems can be switched between seamlessly. As for the cutting surface quality, here is a comparison of the cutting results between a bandsaw and our wire saw. Contact us to learn more about our wire saw models.